Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and let's start another video series on how to design a fitness club or gym membership website with Elementor Pro and WordPress CMS. Here, this is the template that we're going to replicate or we're going to copy from. Okay, and copy the layout. And for the plugins, we're going to use Elementor Free, Elementor Pro, and paid membership subscriptions and visibility logic for Elementor. All are free except for Elementor Pro. Okay, we need these 4 plugins to design this layout. Okay, for the theme, we're going to use default 2021 theme. Okay, and yeah, let's change the WordPress default 2021 background color, this light green color. Let's change it on customizer. Color and dark mode, change this background color. Okay, publish. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Pages. Okay, I have already created all the main pages that we need. For example, here home page, about page, services, trainers or courses, courses, classes or schedule, and lastly, become a member or member area. Yeah, this is for the visitors or the public to see, and this is for those who log in to see it, login members to see it. Okay, here, so what we can do after creating these pages, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pages, let's go to appearance menus and let's create 2 menus, one for logout menu, one for login menu. Okay, this is the login menu. Here select the items and edit here what we need to add: about, services, trainers, classes, and member area. This is for login menu, and create another menu that is I have already created logout menu. In the logout menu, what you need: about, services, trainers, classes, and become a member. This is the become a member is the registration page. Okay, subscription registration page, and the member area is the account page. Okay, then let's go to the settings, general. Make sure you tick this option, anyone can register. So and set the changes, then go to ratings. Make sure you assign the this home page is the front page of the website, the static front page. Save the changes. Okay, that's it. That's all the setting that we need to do on the setup. And go to paid memberships, settings, payments. Here insert your PayPal email, PayPal account email for the to receive the payments. And here in the subscription plans, you can create subscription plans, gym membership, or here for example Sunday fitness program, hobby tab, fitness program for office workers. price $99, whatever. Okay, then save subscription. Okay, just like that, create your all subscription plans you need. That's it for the setting. Then we can go start designing the layout. First, of course, header. Go to templates, gem builder. Let's design the header. Add new. Select header template. Then let's call it header. Create template. Okay, let's insert a 2-column section like this, and vertical line, middle, star, and let's set background color. Okay, first of all, before you go start designing all these things, go to site setting and set your color scheme, global color scheme. Okay, or global fonts. Now here star. Okay, then navigation menu, right aligned, then mobile, breakpoint mobile, none, pointer none, style, typography 16. Okay, color white, and hover color is active color is like that. Okay, this yeah, here the menu is login menu. So advanced visibility is enable visibility logic, user role. Okay, here. Okay, this item, menu navigation menu is so visible on user roles, enable user role on login users only. Okay, this navigation menu is visible to login users only. Okay, duplicate this, and select logon menu, visibility setting, user role. Here this is visible to only guest users or public. Okay, that's it, and let's make it responsive. Here, sorry, layout 80%, then this layout, sorry, here 20%. Okay, that's it. And for tablet, here column layout size about 25, and here 75. Okay, that's enough. Okay, here it is not, this horizontal navigation menu is not properly display on tablet. So what we can do, we can adjust this here, horizontal padding. Okay, just like that. And then go to the section setting, advanced, motion effects, sticky on the top. Okay, publish. On Intel website 7 close. Okay, we are done with the header. So what we can do, go to theme builder, then go to footer, add new, okay. For the footer, I'm a fan of minimalistic footer, so we are not going to have any footer widgets, just copyright declaration or credits or social links. That's all we need on the footer. Go to settings, here let's call it footer. Okay, insert, two column, vertical line middle, style, background color. Okay, select text editor, text, all this, and what we're going to end copyright, visual, now copyright, gym membership, website, design, with Elementor. Okay, we can insert link in the credit here with the bar. Elementor.com. Okay, and style, color is just too white. Then here what I want, okay, copy this, hex code, then go to advanced, give a CSS ID, say like credits, go to custom CSS, credits, a tag, then color, hex code, and close the bracket, just like that. Here and the color of the credit link, then okay, you can add social icons. Right align, style, custom color, primary, okay, size 20, okay, icon hover, primary white, secondary and okay, something like this. Yeah, footer is done, header is done. If you are not yeah, you can also go to section setting here and advanced. You can try adding little padding about 15. Okay, that's it. Publish, add condition, entire website, save and close. Okay, we're done with the header and footer. That's it for this episode, and we can start designing the home page in the upcoming episode. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. Yeah, I hope you get inspired, especially for those who are WordPress or Elementor beginners. And if you have any questions or feedbacks, please don't hesitate to contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.